Enhance your outdoor spaces with our expert outdoor lighting Arlington TX installation services. Southlake. Outdoor lighting. Co-Team specializes in creating stunning exterior lighting designs that transform your garden, patio, and pathways into beautifully illuminated areas. Whether you're looking for landscape lighting, garden illumination, or pathway lights, we have the perfect solution for you. Illuminate your garden with our top-notch garden lighting services in Arlington, Texas. Our garden illumination options include solar garden lights, LED outdoor lights, and accent lighting to highlight your favorite plants and features. With our expertise, your garden will become a magical retreat after sunset. Pathway lights in Arlington TX are essential for both safety and aesthetics. Our pathway lighting solutions ensure that your walkways are well lit, providing a safe passage for you and your guests. Choose from a variety of styles, including bollard lights and step lights, to complement your landscape design. Deck outdoor lighting. Arlington TX is a must-have for any outdoor space. Our deck lighting options include uplighting, downlighting, and spotlights to enhance the beauty of your deck while providing functional illumination. Let us help you create a stunning outdoor living area with our expert lighting services. Transform your patio with our patio lighting services in Arlington. We offer a range of options, including string lights, wall-mounted lights, and outdoor sconces, to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Our patio lighting solutions are perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet evening outdoors. LED outdoor lighting Arlington TX are an energy-efficient and long-lasting option for all your exterior lighting needs. Our LED lighting solutions include everything from pathway lights to poolside lighting, ensuring that your outdoor spaces are beautifully illuminated while saving on energy costs. Security lighting in Arlington TX is crucial for protecting your home and property. Our security lighting solutions include motion sensor lights and floodlights to deter intruders and provide peace of mind. Trust our team to design and install a security lighting system that meets your needs. Accent lighting in Arlington TX adds a touch of elegance to your outdoor areas. Southlake outdoor lighting. Co-accent lighting options include tree lighting, uplighting, and downlighting to highlight architectural features and create a dramatic effect. Enhance your landscape with our professional accent lighting services.